Do you have the
Guys, we're cooking snow today.
listen to me whine about nothing and everything all at once?
Why is it turning into ice?
I am one of those melodramatic fools. Neurotic to the
Snow takes a while to
bone, no
melt.
doubt about
So the
it.
lighter the snow, the less water you're going to get.
Sometimes
the
I
thicker the
give
snow,
myself
the more water
the
you need.
creeps.
No matter what, snow's probably going to be dirty.
Yo, look. It already looks dirty, kind of.
It all keeps adding up.
I feel like that snow wasn't too far onto the ground, so I feel like it won't be this dirty.
Yeah, we don't get to make it.
I went to a shrink to analyze my dreams. She says it's like a sex that's bringing me down. I went to a whore. He said my life's a bore. Choke with my wife because it's bringing her down. Sometimes I give myself the creeps. Sometimes my mind plays tricks on me. It all keeps adding up. I think I'm cracking up. Am I just paranoid?
Alright, guys, we're done cooking. Alright. Let's go serve the breakfast, guys. Wait. Yes. They don't look dirty. Tell me, you guys. Put my phone there. Man, the phone.
That definitely looks dirty.